Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the vacuum along borders mode on the VIOMI S9 Alpha vacuum cleaner. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the Xiaomi Home app and connect our vacuum cleaner, so it should look like this. Then press on our VIOMI S9 and then click on the three dots on the top right here. And here you have the vacuum along borders option right on the top, and you can toggle this switch on so when you start your cleaning next time, it's going to vacuum along borders of your map. But do remember that this mode works only once, and if you want to do it again, you're going to have to head back to this option right here and enable it again. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped, and make sure to like and subscribe.